How to add another Face ID in your iPhone. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can add another Face ID in your iPhone. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your phone settings, and from here you have to scroll down, and from here you have to go into your Face ID and the passcode. Now here you just have to enter your passcode, and once you are in, as you can see that here is already one Face ID is add. Now how you can add the second one, as you can see that here is the option of the setup Face ID with the mask for alternative appearance. You have to click on it. Now here is the some requirements. The first one is that you can use your Face ID with a mask. You don't need to wear a mask during setup, and you can also don't use your Face ID with a mask. You just have to click on the setup letter, and you have to click on it to go into your settings. And after that you just have to simply add your Face ID, and you are able to add the another Face ID in your iPhone. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.